U.S. President Donald Trump is defending a sharp rise in inflation, saying higher prices caused by the conflict with Iran will eventually come down once the war ends. His comments came as new inflation data rattled markets and renewed tensions with Tehran weighed on investor confidence. Lee Seung-jae has more.
U.S. President Donald Trump has defended a recent rise in inflation, arguing that higher prices linked to the conflict with Iran will ease once the war ends. Speaking to reporters on Wednesday, Trump responded to government data showing consumer inflation rose at its fastest pace in 3 years in May. Asked whether the increase could hurt Republicans ahead of November's midterm elections, Trump said he loved the inflation, insisting it is temporary and largely driven by energy costs.
You know what I really love? I love the inflation. Oh, when the war is over, it's coming down.
I know you can't.
It's going to come down like a rock.
The president revealed that he has approved a plan to secretly move oil tankers to the Strait of Hormuz to help prevent further disruptions to global energy supplies. Trump described the operation as successful and said it was worth the risk. The remarks come as the war with Iran continues to disrupt shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, helping drive up the cost of gasoline, fertilizer, and other goods. Experts also point to the conflict in the Middle East as the main reason for U.S. consumer inflation.
The main story here, headline inflation is up 4.2% on an annual basis. That's the highest we've seen in 3 years since May of 2023. Most of that move is due to energy prices, gasoline prices in particular, from the conflict in the Middle East.
Meanwhile, Wall Street ended lower on Wednesday, with major indexes falling more than 1% as investors weighed rising inflation, weakness in chip stocks, and renewed tensions between Washington and Tehran. Concerns also grew after Trump suggested the U.S. could resume attacks on Iran and warned on social media that Tehran would pay the price if negotiations continue to stall. Also, both Brent crude and U.S. crude futures closed up nearly $2 per barrel on Wednesday, amid concerns that the conflict in the Middle East could escalate further. Seung-jae, Arirang News.